If you're a multi-unit developer, being able to manage your growth from prospect to agreement, through real estate and construction to ongoing operations is paramount.
And being able to do it in a simple, easy to manage, all-in-one platform increases team efficiency.
That's why we created Synuma, a comprehensive, cloud-based software to help you manage sales, development, and operations.
We're excited to be working with Captain D's because as a rapidly expanding QSR, they were looking for a better way to support their growth.
Captain D's is the nation's leading QSR seafood restaurant. We have 530 restaurants, about half franchised and half corporate. As we're starting to really take this brand to the next level growth-wise, we had a need for a more robust project management system. Historically, we've been using spreadsheets, Excel spreadsheets. I've been with companies that have opened 100, 120, 130 restaurants a year. It's almost impossible to maintain a spreadsheet when you're opening that many restaurants. So we need to have a way now to properly manage these projects. And that means manage it from the day a prospective franchisee becomes a franchisee all the way down to when we open a restaurant.
Our clients are in constant motion. They need a tool that can go everywhere with them. As a former director of real estate, I understand the importance of gathering real-time data and being able to use that data in a meaningful way.
All brands have directors of real estate, and we all do pretty much the exact same job. I was in the car for 12 hours. We drove 600 miles that day. I looked at more than 50 sites. I can create a seed for each one of those where I can upload the information about the site, what it looks like from my perspective. I could load pictures, and then that way when I get back to the hotel, I could go, all right, I saw this site, I don't like it, so I delete it. But it allows me to keep track of what I've seen that day.
Tracking down people to find answers wastes time. That's why Synuma was developed to collect data in one place and allow cross-departmental access.
Our construction team might put something in Synuma, and then the whole team has access to it. And that goes for dates too, quite honestly. As we're updating projects, we're not making phone calls to other people on our team saying, hey, when is this going to happen? When's that going to happen? If it's in Synuma, we know when it's going to happen.
Managing your development pipeline is critical to meeting your company's objectives. A key feature in Synuma is the ability to forecast.
Literally, by plugging in one date, we can go ahead and see what that does to the remainder of the project. Because now we can track kind of how long different tasks are taking, we can really focus on those tasks and to understand, all right, what can we do differently here to make this go better? Excel spreadsheets don't give you that ability to do so.
Our objective, based on our experience and the feedback we received from others, was to build a flexible system so our customers don't feel that they have to adapt their processes to the demands of a software platform.
They want to make this thing work as best as it could for our brand. It wasn't like, here's a system, you got to use it this way. It was more like, here's what we do, now tell us what you want to do, and then we'll kind of make the tweaks and adjustments, whatever works best for Captain D's. The fact that Tiffany's got an engineering background, you got Paul, who's been on both sides of the field, he's been a franchisee and he's been on the franchisor side. They can speak the language, right? They understand, we're not talking anything that's out of the ordinary to them.
We built Synuma understanding the common needs of development, but every company's different. We can work with you to address your unique needs.
I kind of see us and Synuma as, we're preparing for bigger things down the road.
The reason I like Synuma is because everything's all right there together. You know what it is. You can click on a button. You don't have to go in and create formulas, and because they've already done that for you.
Not only do I want a system that is functional and works great, but I also want to know that when I pick up the phone and I have a problem with something, someone over there is going to answer the phone and give me a straight answer. It's a great partnership, quite honestly, for our brand.